timber harvest that I do. I'm Alan Walter, and we're located in Harrison County, Ohio. I have a 150-acre tree farm that I purchased 25 years ago in 1990. I didn't know what it meant at the time, but the woods had been high graded back in the 1970s, and it meant that somebody had come in and just taken the very best trees and left all the junky trees, and probably had done it over and over a period of years. So even though I had lots of trees, they had a lot of problems. I've spent 20 years of my life undoing the damage that had been done in the past. I basically want to leave the land in a better condition than it was when I bought it 25 years ago.
Our grandfather used to say the best time to plant a tree was 25 years ago, but today's the next best time. My name's Rosemary Campbell. There's a family of 4 of us. I've been interested in nature all my life, particularly fond of animals and birds.
This property has been in Lee name since 1852. We love it here.
My favorite bird is a tree sparrow. It's a background music to the happiest parts of my life. I think that'll be the salvation of our nature, is to have people that care about it. And if they're totally disconnected from it, how can they care?
I'm Tony Brabson.
I'm Benny Brabson. We bought this property back in 1997.
We're not city people. We love the solitude. We love walking in the woods. Before we lived here, that's where we spent our time, walking through state parks and trails, and it's like now we have our own park. We've learned to have a healthy woods, so we're working on that, and it's an ongoing process.
Yeah. Our goal is to keep a healthy woods, because if you have a healthy woods, you're going to have a healthy animal population, including birds. When we built this place out here, we were moving into the animals' habitat, and we had to figure out a way to coexist with them, try to enhance their environment, because they enhance ours every day just by allowing us to be here.
My name is Pat Speck. I've been here 20 years. I moved here from California. This farm is basically divided 50-50 in pasture land or woodland, and somewhere around 62 to 65 acres. Been here since, 93, 94, and improved the land and love what I see on my farm. I'm in love with the natural world, and it concerns me that a lot of people are afraid of nature. And if they can come here and see that we can succeed, but nature can succeed too, then I think we'll have a good start.
Hi, my name is Scott Galloway. I'm a woodland owner. I have 210 acres in Carroll County. I purchased my first 40 acres in 1992 and have progressively bought property from my adjoining neighbors. Grouse management was the predominant factor in the early days. Knowing more about forestry and knowing more about wildlife has sort of evolved over time and moved away from strictly wildlife management into timber production management, and how those two things merge together and coexist together and feed off one another. It's been really exciting to watch my children enjoy a natural environment that oftentimes, kids in the city or even in the suburbs don't get to understand or to see.